This video will show you how to filter by color in Excel. Select the column you want to filter. Click Data. Click Filter. Click arrow down next to the column that contains the data you want to filter. Click the drop-down menu next to By Color under the filter header. You might see Filter by Color instead. Select either cell color or font color. After you make a selection, only the color you chose will appear on the spreadsheet.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.